Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about large order and pizza equipment verification. So as we all know, some of the best opportunities on DoorDash are the large order program and the pizza bag program. But in order to be a part of those programs, you need to verify to DoorDash that you have the tools or you purchase the tools from them. But either way, you do need to verify that you have what it takes to complete the order. So with that said, I want to go over everything that needs to be said about large order and a pizza equipment verification according to DoorDash, how it actually is for gig workers, and everything in between. But before we do that, let's go over a disclaimer. The content of this video does not contain and is never intended to be legal, business, financial, tax, or health advice of any kind. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It is advised that you conduct your own research and consult with qualified professionals before applying anything you find online. I also want to be clear that there may be some things in this video that are market dependent, so what may work for me may not be working for you. So with that said, let's get started. Dashers with pizza bags and or catering bags will receive an email and an SMS about the new equipment verification update. This will help Dashers easily complete certain deliveries and identify if the delivery requires special equipment. And of course, these tools are available on the Doordash website. I will leave a link to the catering bag and the pizza bag in the description. Now, there is one thing I do have to say about the pizza bag specifically. I know that a lot of people say go into a Pizza Hut, just ask for a pizza bag or something to that effect. But there are some restaurants that hoard said pizza bags and they don't actually give them out to Dashers even if they do have them. Sometimes it's about discrimination towards gig workers in general. Sometimes it's literally because they don't really want to give out equipment because, well, they could use it for themselves. It's stupid, it's ridiculous, but it is an important thing to know. How does it work? When you receive a delivery opportunity, you will be able to see whether or not the delivery requires special equipment. Now, these are really bad examples because they're from DoorDash and you could tell they're trying to push some kind of agenda. But if you require a catering bag, it looks like this. If you require a pizza bag, it looks like this. You're gonna notice those little black bar icons there. Normally, these orders are very high paying. You could tell they're trying to lowball you here so that way you almost feel conditioned to want to accept low paying offers even if the mileage is right. So make sure you understand there are much higher paying orders from these programs. The app will prompt you to verify your pizza/catering bag. And you have to do this as you're picking up the order. It's going to look something like this, to where you have to take the photo. If you encounter an issue submitting a photo of your bag, you can still continue with the delivery, but you will have to make sure to verify your equipment the next time an offer is made. Which you will receive an in-app message about that. It's going to look something like this just after you take the photo and everything. If you don't have your pizza bag, you could click on I don't have one right now and continue with the delivery. If you accept another pizza order without a pizza bag, you will not be able to deliver pizza orders after that order. So they'll let it go the first time, but after that, you better be on your stuff. Same goes for the catering bag. And again, you don't want to lose those opportunities, so make sure you just have the equipment in your car or something. Frequently asked questions. Will I be unassigned from an order if I was unable to verify my equipment? No, you can still continue with the order, but you will have to verify your bag next time because you will no longer receive these assignment opportunities if you fail to verify 2 consecutive times. And let me tell you something, a lot of people have lost the opportunity to be on the large order program and to be on the pizza program and heavily regret it. Do not lose the opportunity. I want to accept this delivery, but I don't have a pizza or catering bag. What should I do? To become eligible to receive orders requiring a pizza and or catering bag, you can purchase these through the DoorDash store or any retailer where similar equipment is sold. Yeah, you don't necessarily need the branded bags, but it will help you go through the verification process faster and actually be a part of those programs and receive big time them orders, you know what I mean? I want to accept this delivery, but I don't have a catering bag. What should I do? To become eligible to receive orders requiring a catering bag, you can purchase a catering bag through the Doordash store or any retailer where similar catering bags are sold, as long as your bag meets the catering bag standards, insulated, at least 22 wide, 14 long, and 13 deep. Again, it doesn't need to be the branded bag, but it does need to be within those parameters. I do think that having the branded bag will help you get onto the programs faster, but to each their own. I'm not gonna tell you whether or not you should support the company, especially since I don't support the company. The app is not allowing me to take a photo of my bag. To be able to take a photo of your bag in the Dasher app, make sure that you allow camera permissions. On iOS, go to settings, scroll down to privacy, select camera, and look for the Dasher app icon and toggle it right to give the app access to your camera. On Android, go to settings, application/apps, look for the Dasher app, click on permissions, select camera, and select allow. Now, there are Dashers that are saying that there is a particular issue with them being able to verify themselves, let alone actually verify their equipment through the Dasher verification of their identity, which is scary, but it seems like DoorDash is literally trying to throw those people out. If you're concerned about that as a driver, you should be concerned about your contactless deliveries. You should be concerned about your identity verification. This is the least of your worries if that's actually happening. If you don't know what I'm talking about, how people are having struggles verifying their ID and causing deactivations because of that, I made a video talking all about that. I'll leave that in the description. Feel free to check it out. I purchased a catering bag. How will I start receiving these large orders? I actually made a video talking about the large order program. I'll also leave that in the description. Feel free to check it out. I have a pizza/catering bag, but I don't have it right now. Can I still accept these orders? Yes, you could continue with the order, but you have to make sure that you have the bag on your next delivery. And then it basically says the same thing that they've been saying the whole time. If you end up not having the bag twice, they're just gonna kick you out of the program. Honestly, if you get these multiple times a day, I wouldn't risk it. That's just a personal opinion of mine. Did I miss anything in terms of verifying your large order and pizza equipment on DoorDash? Is there something else about this that we definitely need to know about that we did not discuss in this video? Let me know in the comments. Let's make sure that everybody who is going to be part of the large order and pizza programs are going to make the most money as possible and are staying on the platform on both programs for as long as possible. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!